AI is everywhere now, from writing stories to composing music, even generating art. It's insane how fast it's advancing. But here's the thing. Does that mean human creativity is dead? Not really. AI can mimic styles, patterns, and trends, but it doesn't feel. It doesn't have that messy, unpredictable spark that humans do when we create something new, that little aha moment. Think about it. Some of the world's greatest inventions came from accidents or wild ideas. Could AI replicate that? Probably not, at least not yet. But here's the tricky part. AI can make creativity easier, faster, and even inspire us in ways we didn't imagine. So, it's not about AI killing creativity. It's about us learning to work with it. The real risk is if we rely on it blindly, then maybe originality takes a hit. Bottom line, AI isn't a replacement. It's a tool. And like any tool, it depends on how smart and intentional we are with it.